Welcome to my channel Archana Joshi Ideas. I am Archana Joshi. Today I am going to show you how to make these beautiful flowers using silk thread. Yes, you heard it right. You can make flowers using silk thread. Hope you like this idea and surely gonna try. Let's begin. For making the silk thread flowers, the first step is to make silk thread tassel. Here I am using cardboard sheet measuring 3 cm. You can even make tassel using fork. If you want to know how to make tassel using fork, I have made a video in my second channel. The link for that video is in the description box below. So please go down and check it out. Keep winding the silk thread around the cardboard for 60 turns. After that, take a needle and using thread make 2 to 3 knots at one of the end of the winded silk thread on the cardboard. After making knots at one of the end, cut the silk thread from the opposite end and remove the thread from the cardboard. And keep making knots at the top end of the tassel to make it stronger. After that, trim the tassel well so that it comes to a prettier look. Now the tassel is ready. To give it flower look, you need to keep pressing the tassel from the middle and add head pin in the middle of the tassel. Now the head pin acts as stem of the flower. To give even more prettier look to the flower, I have decided to add this stone in the middle of the flower, that is at the head of the head pin. You can even use a big stone if you want. Now the last step is to wind the shiny green color tape around the head pin so that it gives complete stem like look. Now the flower is completely ready. Hope you like this idea and surely gonna try. Please do subscribe for more such interesting DIYs and follow me on my Instagram and Facebook.